Excuse me. Hello?
Hello. Do you need help?
Yes, please. I think I'm lost.
Oh no. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Green City, but I can't find the bus station.
Green City. That's about 2 hours from here.
Yes, that's right. I came this morning, but I walked too far.
It's easy to do that here. Our city is big.
Yes, and all the streets look the same.
Don't worry. I can help you find the bus station.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem. I like helping travelers.
That's very kind of you.
The bus station isn't far. Let's walk together.
Okay, thank you.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Wow, Canada. That's a beautiful country, right?
Yes, it's very big and very cold in winter.
I don't like the cold. We only get snow here once a year.
That sounds nice. In my city, we have snow for 5 months.
Really? That's so long.
Yes, I love snow, but sometimes I just want sunshine.
Then you came to the right place. So, do you travel a lot?
Yes, I really like traveling.
That's great. Where have you been?
Hmm, I've been to Japan, Italy, Brazil, and Thailand.
Wow, that's amazing. Which country was your favorite?
It's hard to choose, but maybe Japan.
Why Japan?
It's very clean and peaceful. The people are polite. And the food. Oh, I love sushi.
I've never tried real sushi.
You must try it one day. It's fresh and delicious.
My dream is to visit Italy.
Oh, Italy is beautiful.
I've seen pictures of Rome and Venice.
Yes, the buildings, the canals, the old streets. Everything feels like a movie.
Did you eat pasta there?
Every day. I think I ate too much.
That's what I would do too.
What about you, Anna? Do you travel?
A little. Not to other countries, but inside my country, yes.
That's still great. Where did you go last?
Last year, I went to the seaside with my family.
Oh, nice. How was it?
Wonderful. The sea was blue, the sand was white, and we watched the sunset every evening.
That sounds amazing.
I love the sound of waves. It makes me feel calm.
Me too. I think the sea is the best place to relax.
What's your favorite place in the world?
Hmm, maybe the mountains in Canada? They are huge and full of snow.
That sounds beautiful. Do you ski?
Yes, I ski a little, but I fall a lot.
I understand. I tried skiing once. It was a disaster.
So maybe we're both not very good at it.
Let's sit here for a moment. This bench is nice.
Good idea. I'm a little tired from walking.
Do you want some water?
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
You're welcome.
Do you live near here?
Yes, my house is about 10 minutes away.
That's nice. You must know this city very well.
Yes, I've lived here my whole life.
It's a beautiful city, busy, but full of energy.
I agree. Sometimes it's noisy, but I love it.
Every city has good and bad sides.
True.
Where would you like to travel in the future?
Hmm, maybe France? I want to see the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, Paris is amazing.
Have you been there?
Yes, twice. It's romantic and full of art.
I like art. I also want to visit museums there.
You would love it. The Louvre is huge. You can spend all day inside.
That sounds perfect.
What about Egypt? You said you went there as a child.
Yes, the pyramids were so big. I remember the sand, the camels, and the sun.
I hope I can see them one day.
You will. Just keep traveling. Look, there's the park.
Oh, yes. You said the bus station is next to it, right?
Yes, just behind those trees.
Great. We're almost there.
You see? It wasn't too hard to find.
Only because you were my guide.
I'm happy to help.
You know, I really enjoyed our talk.
Me too. It's nice to talk about travel and dreams.
Yes, sometimes meeting new people is the best part of traveling.
That's true. Every person has a story.
And today, this is our story.
Yes, the lost traveler and the friendly local.
Sounds like a movie title. Well, I think I can find my way from here.
Good. The bus station is right over there.
Thank you for walking with me and for the nice conversation.
You're very welcome, Tom. I had fun too.
Maybe you'll visit Canada one day, and I'll show you my city.
That would be amazing. I'll remember that.
Deal.
Have a safe trip to Green City.
Thanks, Anna. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Take care.